Welcome. In this video, we'll be discuss snacks for weight loss. So, whether you're looking to learn something new, get inspired, or just have some fun, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. Hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are high in protein and can help you feel full for longer periods of time. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is high in protein and low in calories, making it an excellent snack for weight loss. Almonds. Almonds are high in protein, fiber, and healthy fats, making them a filling and satisfying snack. Edamame. Edamame is a great source of protein and fiber, and is low in calories. Hummus. Hummus is a nutritious and filling snack, thanks to its high protein and fiber content. Apple slices with almond butter. Apples are low in calories and high in fiber, while almond butter is high in protein and healthy fats. Baby carrots with hummus. Baby carrots are low in calories and high in fiber, while hummus is high in protein and fiber. Cottage cheese with fruit. Cottage cheese is high in protein and low in calories, while fruit is high in fiber and antioxidants. Air-popped popcorn. Air-popped popcorn is a low-calorie and satisfying snack, thanks to its high fiber content. Kale chips. Kale chips are a crunchy and nutritious snack that is low in calories and high in fiber. Tuna salad. Tuna is high in protein and low in calories, making it an excellent base for a healthy and filling salad. Roasted chickpeas. Chickpeas are high in protein and fiber, and roasting them makes them a crunchy and satisfying snack. Cucumber slices with cottage cheese. Cucumber slices are low in calories and high in water content, while cottage cheese is high in protein and low in calories. Bell pepper strips with guacamole. Bell peppers are low in calories and high in fiber, while guacamole is high in healthy fats and antioxidants. Grilled chicken skewers. Grilled chicken is high in protein and low in calories, making it a great snack for weight loss. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this. Also, let us know in the comments what you thought of this video and if there's anything else you'd like us to cover in the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.